As you know, we are having this inter-school event, which is not only for schools in Goa, but we also want good competition. Hence, we want our students and swimmers to ensure that they compete against some of the best swimmers from our neighboring states. So this event is open for everyone to participate and represent their schools. So for Fit for Life, swimming is much more than just swimming. It is more a part of our daily routine. So we encourage right from toddler level to senior citizens to have a better lifestyle.
We are expecting over 500 participants this year. Last year we had over 150 participants and we had around 35 schools that participate from the state. This year we have kept the competition open for everybody across the country. So we are obviously expecting more than 500 participants to come in and participate.
I'm happy that they have taken this initiative to for this event. So other clubs and even other some institutions may not have the facility like they have of the swimming pool in-house swimming pool, but they can always take an opportunity if somebody comes ahead. Goa's swimming association will always support them if they are ready to host an event. And in addition to the events which are being planned by the association, if we have such events, it's like an added boost for the children. Like they can participate in multiple events. So they have taken this initiative. So other clubs and even schools or institutions can come up with such events, and Goa Swimming Association is always ready to support such events.